Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Michael.
And we're from Bullion Now. And what have we got here? This looks interesting.
This is a world first, sort of.
Okay.
So from the makers of the XAG, now some of the long-term stackers will remember the XAG coins that were released that to this day are one of the most expensive bullion coins in 1 ounce silver that you can get. They change hands. Some of them change hands at well over $1,000 a pop for a 1 ounce coin. They have decided, they have done this fantastic job with producing a 10 ounce minted silver bar.
Wow, I haven't seen these before. Tell me, what's the go with these?
So these are fantastic. So they're minted, not cast. So cast bars are, if you think of it a little bit like making a cake, you melt down, whether it's gold or silver or whatever, you melt it down, pour it into a tin, it sets in the tin, you tip it out and stamp it. It's not that, but it's near enough to that. Think of it as making a cake. Minted bars are actually made out of stamped out of a sheet of metal. So put through a press. So they're much more sharper lines, much squarer, those types of things. So you can see here, this one's a minted bar with the frosting finish in the background and then mirrored type on top, if you like, with the press. On the back, you've got XAG stamped all over it. So they look fantastic. One of the things I love, and it stands out more this side, is they're shrink wrapped.
Hey,
so you can handle the bar without worrying about putting your sticky fingers on it. So Matt and I can't have the argument about, it's got a frosted finish. That means you can. No, you can't. So Matt and I go back and forth with antiquing and all that sort of stuff.
I was a little worried that you didn't have a glove on for a second, but there you go.
They're shrink wrapped, and they've done a really good job with the shrink wrapping. Although when I said that to the guys that made them, they said, we're improving on the system. So it'll be good to see how that develops over time. But they look stunning.
10 ounces as well. That's not common.
It's not common anymore. It used to be more common than it is now. I can't get 10 ounce bars come hell or high water in this country. I can't get them in minted. I can get them cast, but not out of your likes of your Perth Mint and that. We're talking locally produced, which is still great, don't get me wrong. But, to have a quality minted bar produced is just fantastic. If you can't tell, I'm buzzing about it.
Yeah.
They are going to do them in 5 ounce and 1 ounce, although we don't have them yet. But this is the world launch of them. And as I said to Connor before, anything else is merely a copy.
These are the first ever. Okay, interesting.
So they're great, and I'm really stoked that XAG's partners with us, if you like, to do the launch on them and allowed us first bite at it. So yeah, grab them. We anticipate having them moving forward, so it's not like I've got to grab them right now. We do have about 100 and something of them in stock.
But if you want to be the first in the world,
you
can, because that's right here. That's what we've got.
They are. They're produced in Melbourne, which is another plus for us. So it's a local supply, which is absolutely fantastic. Can't promote that enough. Yet they will be reasonably priced. I actually haven't done the pricing on them. I should have done it before I jumped on camera, but as per usual, I'm too excited to worry about that sort of stuff. Let's get them out there. But yeah, they will be well priced because they are a local product. Grab them, put them in your stack. They're a great little talking point, and they just look great.
Well, beautiful. Thank you very much for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries.
And we will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.